Imagine you bulk up just for you to get fat, and then you cut just for you to be skinny, feeling like you're making no progress. All right, so now I got you. I've been through the same exact thing. I got you. Look, for so many years, I was stuck. I just discovered about fitness and I was deciding to take it seriously, but I didn't have so much knowledge about it and I didn't have much guidance around me of people who could help me actually make progress in fitness. So I decided to lock in. I was like, yo, this is it. This is it. I decided that, look, I'm going to dedicate certain amounts of time during my day to watch a few YouTube videos of fitness, to watch courses, to take some courses, all that stuff, to get information, all this data on fitness, stuff that can actually help me make progress. So I locked in and I got all this information. With this information, I decided to do trial and error. I tried this information in my own life. I tried it with other people and I built a system that actually works for me, that can actually help me stay consistent without falling off anymore. You know, it's actually a big struggle. No more skipping the gym, because skipping the gym is a reason why you aren't seeing the results that you want. It's a reason why I wasn't seeing the results that I wanted. So I made this system with a couple of other people around me. I tested it out. I tested it out on myself until it actually worked. As you can see, I've made a bunch of progress. It's crazy. If you don't know who I am, my name is Shaka. I'm of the age of 21 and I help young men get consistent in fitness and build discipline so that they can actually see real progress. So I created the blueprint, the consistency blueprint, which is a system that can help you get more consistent in your fitness. It's not just a quick fix. It's not something that's here to just put a bandage over your wound. No, it's here to heal your wound, the wound of skipping the gym, of being inconsistent. This is the system that I used. So this system is about building realistic goals, being accountable, you know what I mean? Setting realistic, attainable goals, and also having a specific routine, having your own workout routine so that you can stay consistent. So I'm not here to tell you, bro, you're going to put on 100 kgs of muscle in 2 days. Nah, I'm not here to promise crazy results. But I can tell you about my homeboy, Markio, who started using this system just like a few months ago. And the progress he's made is crazy. Also, I have a homeboy as well, Sonic, who has also been doing the same thing. He started literally like, it was 4 months ago. Bro, if you see his progress now, it's crazy. He's built an aesthetic physique using that same system that I'm talking about to stay consistent. No missing days. So it's not about doing the craziest lifts, bench pressing heavy, lifting so heavy and hurting yourself and getting so injured just for some gains, taking tren or some steroids. Look, it's not about starving yourself, right? Lifting extremely heavy, injuring yourself, trying to show off, trying to be the strongest guy in the gym. Nah, it's not about all that. It's not about all that. It's about working smarter, right? Putting in the same amount of effort as everyone else, but you're getting better results. You know what I mean? Already you're putting in a lot of effort, which is really good, but you need a system. You need some step-by-step system, a clear system that can help you reach this progress. So in this consistency blueprint, you will get clear, actionable steps that will help you build a workout routine, man. You know what I mean? A crazy workout routine that will help you stay consistent for good. And then you'll also get a proper system that actually focuses on consistency and not like working too hard. And best of all, you get a very nice support system. People who can help you achieve this kind of goal together. People who are also being consistent or trying to be more consistent that can help you stay consistent. It's very important to have support. So if you're ready to stop going around in circles and trying all this program, this community, all this stuff, fitness stuff that is so broad and general, if you actually want to be consistent this time, if you want to stick to the plan, then join the community right now. Join the community. Yeah, the consistent man. That's the, hey, yo, this is your opportunity this time. And hear me out. It's at a very cheap price. Very, very cheap price. So get in very early so that you can lock in before the price goes up. Because trust me, when people start entering like crazy, the price is going up like crazy because I'll need more systems and advanced systems to make this a better experience for you and to provide the right kind of service for you. So I'm not here to guarantee you, oh, you get results or else you get back your money. No, that's not the kind of guarantee that I want. The kind of guarantee that I offer is that I will hold your hand. Basically, I will support you throughout the whole journey, me, myself, as you've seen that I'm credible in staying consistent in fitness because I've been doing this. I've been consistent, hella consistent recently. And that's why I'm actually talking about it. Right now, you've got nothing to lose and everything to actually gain. So join the community right now. Hurry up, lock in, bro. Lock in because if you join late, the price is going to go up and you might not be able to join. So lock in right now before the price goes up and join the consistent man. So lock in at this low price and start your fitness consistency journey.